Let's click the New button, select the endpoint at the right corner, define the endpoint name as a text completion endpoint, and specify the path as a text-completion. After filling in the path name, select the method as a post and list the routed services, and create an endpoint service as a text completion service. Then create our service and endpoint. We can visit our service now. Click the Start node. Let's add our query string parameters as a prompt and define another one as a quantity to get more response from the OpenAI, and select the field type as an integer. So in the next step, we need to find the OpenAI nodes from the marketplace. So extend the OpenAI section and move the Create Completion node to the design area and link it with the connectors. Select the API key from the application parameters as OpenAI. After that, we can specify the prompt. Previously, we have defined it in the query. So we can choose it from here and determine quantity by selecting from our query. So now we can map it to our object, and we can change the object type to completion. So let's link it and select a new object model as a completion. Awesome. Now we can save it to our database. So let's choose the Create Single Object node, move it to our designer, link it with the connectors, and select Created Object as a completion. Now we can return a response. Select the Return Response node and connect it with our service. Our business logic is ready now. We can test it by clicking the cloud icon, and let's visit the tester. It's opening now. Let's find the text completion endpoint. Click it and find the param section. The prompt will be an Altogic is a backend as a service platform, and the quantity can be 1 or 2. Here we are selecting as a 2 and sending a request to our backend. Now we have a response from the OpenAI, and I think we have already saved them to our database. So we can visit the Navigator to see our record in the database. It's loading now. Let's find our completion model and extend it. So here we can see the record. We have the usage section here. We can see the response and all usages. Here are the choices that return from the OpenAI. So we have the text here and return text, like that enables developers to create back-end solutions for their applications quickly and easily. That's all.